Hi one and all. Now I am going to discuss about overview of assessment procedures for language disorders using mapping ways. Assessment is the process of collecting valid and reliable information, integrating, interpreting it to make decision. It is a process to measure communicative behaviors. Second point is evaluation is synonymous with assessment. Assessment gives an outcome, a clinical diagnosis. Clinical diagnosis is a decision on presence or absence of language disorders and suggests the treatment. There are four assessment factors, which are procedures, areas to assess, analysis, and assessment approaches. 4 to 5 process in procedures are followed, which are screening, informal test, standardized test, speech language sampling. Screening is all the language components are screened in both receptive and expressive contexts to determine the need of in-depth assessment using screening tests. Informal tests, these are based on receptive and expressive methods. Language aspects are assessed deeply to know client's language. Standardized test, the formal and norm reference test to know standard scores on an index. Speech language, it is a video record of client's language, a worksheet to record sample. Good language sample will provide an information about client's functional use of language. Speech language sampling is nothing but a video record or worksheet of a client's language, so it is used as a sample. Areas to assess, four areas to assess are here. There are four areas which are assessed here. They are pragmatics, semantics, syntax, and morphology. Pragmatics is use of language in natural context. Semantics is nothing but meaning. It is a client's potential to understand the meaning of words, to assess the potential of in understanding meaning of words. Syntax, it is to assess the grammatical order used by the client. Morphology, this area is to assess client's morphological structure in using language, whether the client's language has proper morphological structure or not. So this area is helpful in assessing morphology of assessment of morphology of language. Analysis, 8 types of analysis can be done in assessment procedures. They are error types, forms of errors, error consistency, contextual differences, oral facial examination, hearing assessment, diagnosis determination, providing information like written report, interview, etc. Last factor is assessment approaches. It is somewhat an enigma for clinicians to approach a valid language assessment. Enigma is nothing but a tool. So clinicians will use this assessment approach as a tool to approach a valid language assessment. Second point is many resources and approaching ways are followed to assess language disorders correctly. 3 types of assessment approaches are tabulated below. They are psychometric approach, descriptive approach, and integrated approach. Psychometric approach is a traditional language assessment according to norms, norm reference tests, and standardized tests. Percentile ranks and standard scores of a client can be determined. These percentile ranks and standard scores are summarized individually and used to determine problem areas. Descriptive approach, it is an authentic method focusing to describe behaviors, compare past to current performances based on spontaneous speech language sampling, observation in naturalistic context. Language is assessed in all its richness and complexity and used to describe the problems affecting clients' day-to-day interactions. Integrated approach, it is a combination of psychometric and descriptive approach. Psychometric plus descriptive approach, and integrated approach is a most recommended assessment approach. Thank you everyone.